Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for being here. Today I want to introduce the baking business series. In this series we are going to look at how to manage a baking business and run it cost effectively, profitably and seamlessly. If you are a baker and you also the one running the business, you know that there are challenges and there are financial leakages, and the biggest challenge is you, the baker. If you're not paying yourself, you're stealing from the business. And that is why we have this series. That is what this series is going to focus on. To separate your personal expenses from the business's expenses, to pay yourself and run your business profitably.